Best hairdryer and volumizer hot air brush. We review top 5 best hairdryer and volumizer hot air brush. Nano titanium rotating hot air brush. This innovative brush has ionic technology and anti-static bristles, reducing frizz and enhancing shine with every pass. Customize your styling session with one of the 3 temperature settings to prevent overheating thin strands. This one is meant to be used as the last step of your styling routine too. Put the final touches and smooth out any traces of frizz. Hair should be at least 80% dry, which also minimizes the risk of damaging hair since wet hair is more susceptible to breaking. Professional 24K Gold Charcoal Infused Blowout Styler. Get polished strands in minutes with this hot tool styler. There is a rotating temperature control with 3 heat settings and vent platforms for faster drying on even super thick strands. One Amazon reviewer said, "I have incredibly thick and wavy hair and this was unbelievably fast for me. It actually took less time than a flat iron." Blowout Freak 1-Step Dry Plus Volume. The mixed pattern bristles of bedheads brush gives hair height and body every time. The longer plastic bristles detangle hair while the shorter, bushier bristles smooth hair into a glossy sheet. The shape of the brush makes it simple to lift from the roots and create a smooth style. Stat. One-step hairdryer and volumizer hot air brush. With over 300,000 Amazon reviews, Revlon's one-step hairdryer and volumizer is all the rage. With 2 heat settings and a cold shot options, the ionic tool eliminates frizz and boosts shine. While the paddle brush allows for smoothing, gliding easily through even the toughest hair textures. One-and-a-half-inch hot air brush. Achieve a salon-worthy blowout in the comfort of your own home with the John Frieda hot air brush. The multi-heat and cool-down settings ensure long-lasting, professional results. Plus, the titanium ceramic barrel allows for even heat distribution. Over 10,000 reviewers on Amazon are obsessed.